welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is out and about, and she's talking about Tina Chin. Now, she's saying that people saved her, from being dissed by Tina Chin, allegedly, and that Tina was coming out for her one point in time when she didn't bother her, you know, and she digged up somewhat of allegedly some files that she said she had on her. So Maxine is, going through that. And as we know, it's a lot of controversy going on social media surrounding Tina Chin because of what has been happening. And people are, calling out her daughter in her ordeal. So it's a lot of things that surrounded Tina Chin right now. So people go and catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, you know what to do, right? Have yourselves a wonderful day.
One night me not beg on no money. Not even money me not ask no for tonight. Yeah. Uno do so good by me. Because me no want come out and come put out. The people me telling us something. You know how nice me supporters them is. Go no self a round of applause. Me not every day call on name tonight. Uno is so nice, so nice. Me can call two of them name Barbisha and Cuz. You can call it two of name because me know nobody can jump in on no clothes. Thank you so much. But think about it. Think about this. Maxine leave Florida, went to New York on a full tank of gas. And I have to stop a lot of time to buy gas. Think about it. Go to New York, spend good, say when I'm in nice viewers. Oh my God, I have to thank her so much. I mean, we'll just go. I'll just call two of them. Just Faith 8 p.m. and Christine. Me sleep in a hotel for 4 nights straight. Me sleep in a hotel because of them. Think about it. Left New York, got Syracuse, left from Syracuse, come back to Florida, got North Carolina. Where do think me get money from? Me not work. It cost me a lot, Buy ticket, come to Jamaica. Lord Jesus Christ, come to Jamaica, don't you feel much months? You don't really want to know how much thousands of dollars me spend? You don't really want to know how much thousands of dollars me spend? You don't want to know. And it's all done because of my viewers them. Every month, at least one time, me ear do, me nails do. Oh my God. I'm living the rich and the famous life. I am. Thank you guys so much. I thank you guys so much. So all I know in a social media, they worry about people money and they worry about money here and money there. Stop worrying about people money. People do what they want to do with their money. I know phone, no. But look here, landlord, shut up for your mouth. Because I say you try to really come back for Christmas, but you don't feed homeless and you go do this and you go do that. Oh, please. Child, please. Child, please. Go sit down. Beg your little money and leave people business alone. Beg your little money and leave people business alone. Tina Chin is no saint. Tina Chin is no saint. And if Tina Chin and Pitney them may live together, because of Tina Chin, the whole house went down demolished. The whole house. Then they go come in, they come pick out some and left some. Because the ex friend go there pan fear door. Yes, he went down there pan fear door. No, come out and come look like you don't want sorry for nobody. Make the people them fight them back to themselves. Because of them put themselves in there. You make up your bed, you lay down in there. Me no need nobody to even come here, come make a comment or nothing because I miss you do. I know uno. I miss you do. And fi me pick me them. Have fi me picnic them and me she tear down and grand picnic. So anything what fall in a fear camp right now, she have to sit down, take it and drink some water. That's it. That's it. Why everybody get up now? And why? Why? Make the people them fight them battle. When you left the people them make them fight them battle. Tina Chin tear me from pillar to post and mission in the jump from page to page and help to bury him too. Yes, mission in the jump from pillar to post and help to bury her. Because she wicked. She's wicked. What 2-year-old Bella could do to Uno? Eh? What 2-year-old Bella could do to Uno? Me no hear no how to defend Bella. Did anyone know how to defend Bella? Uno go sit down. Uno go and go sit down. Go and go sit down. Tina wicked, you know? Tina, me no know where Tina find court record for me. Dear Jesus, where did Tina find those court record for me, Maxine Foster? And come out here with big. Remember one evening Tina Chin come out one Saturday and he said Sunday and they go rub me from morning till night. And they go rub me from morning till night. And a Jennifer Baron, I fi call Tina and say, Tina, Maxine never come out concerned about you and your picnic and grand picnic. The only thing when me when come out and say, the only thing. You don't see how me they call you when they sleep. Me they pan live. I'm Marie and Marie me. Yes, and Marie me have to have over YouTube. They keep down the place. Yeah, man. Hmm? The way how Tina, me no know where Tina find court record for me. Tina, who you have there working at the courthouse, mom? They give you false information. In Tina? And who you have there working at the courthouse where they give you false information that you could not put out false information out upon me. And me pick me. Oh yes, some are got jail all the time. All the time. But don't listen to people when you hear them say, oh, Omar, come here on visa. Come here upon what kind of visa? Come here upon what kind of visa? Good night, laugh at me. Good night. Guys laugh at me, have a new boyfriend, keeping her very busy. Lord of mercy. Eh? Nobody no remember what the people them do to the poor 2-year-old picnic. Bella is only 2 years old. 2. And the way out from Tina Chin to Lorraine to the whole of them come out and do the poor little picnic. Eh? The way how them come out and do the poor little picnic and know everybody they jump, they sorry for what they go on with the Tina Chin. Everybody they sorry for what they go on with Tina Chin. Why only they sorry for what they go on with them? Cancer take people every day. Me papa dead from cancer for him, papa dead from cancer for him, papa dead from cancer. Me mama papa dead from cancer for him, papa dead from cancer. I saw it go along. Cancer in my breed, so till you can imagine I rebuke it. If it come down in the bloodline. Rebuke it, but I made a rebuke and it go did it. When they make it look like at the end of the world. Like at the end of the world. Look on that lad know what they come out, they can't take up for people, they can't take up buckle and mantle they fight. Landlord go sit down. Collect your little two little dollar figure feed the homeless people them. Collect your two because if you not get none your nanny and none Christmas dinner this year. So collect your 2 little dollar them and left your business alone. And you first come out to come tear down everybody picnic. Everybody picnic. You forget say you sit down pan Bella and for me and everybody name for the longest time. You sit down pan and move. We don't know how you go to bathroom. Oh, you sit down, panic. Girl, I'm gonna sit down and keep your thinking mouth shut, yeah. And upset me nerves. Angela Lalabito, him are the next one. You know left, you know left, you know done, you know left. If me say if I catch you back over here, you see, me they go try find the spray. Cause you have to leave. You have to leave me alone. They have one other one there just in case. Jesus Christ, she don't miss a beat. Just in case, do not miss a beat. She sit down on me YouTube challenge. You think she they collect the money at one time. The way how she sit down on it over there. And not making no sense. The Dell Computer company, Dell Computer company woman. You have a company using your company name. And I'm thinking, you know, another company. The way how the woman stupid, the woman write a post and laugh at me at the end of the post, you know, when people really like it. She same one turn around and like the same post, but she the way how she desperate. She same one turn around and like the post. Eh? You have so much of them what don't even have a platform of them own. Like a the dirty Jesus pilot me. I can't remember some of them name right now, but I have the screenshot of them. Everybody platform then go, they all me name. Every platform then go, they all me name. How can somebody go write a post and you turn around and like the same post? What happened? You don't know how to use computer, you don't know how to do nothing at all? You just want to be seen? Me no see you no. You know, say me no see you know. The people them under me boss suit picture them. Then me and the young man them take picture. If you don't notice, you know one young man and me they rub it down. I'm more than one of we. I'm more than one of them, you know. I don't know find no self under every one of them to find some fault at it. When the man them they ask me for the pum pum, they now ask me for the body, they now ask me for the shape, they now ask me for the look. A pum pum they want and a pum pum then they get. So where you know they matter what then they look on. They now look on me mouth, they now look on me eye, they now look on me behind, get little flesh pan it still, you know. But they now look on it. A pum pum they want and that's all they go get. Who no left me alone? Who no care what me they have do at Jamaica they do? Mr. Laugh at me. I wanted to bring you guys like a live this morning, but I couldn't do it. I don't have the nerves for it. Believe me, that's why I know say I'm not gonna be a very good reporter. Cause certain things me not go on like report about. A big crime, no crime scene, death scene went out here this morning. One trailer, one vaccine running on one trailer and 5 people dead. 5 people dead. And all when me I go be you could, it was terrible. It was terrible. Cause at least the driver named dead. Cause my friend Tony couldn't see the driver, them move up, them like in head move little, but that was it. Them born when fi dead anyhow. 5 people dead. Even me I come home a while ago. The traffic was so terrible. We have to drive funny. No. Of course you can write unlike your own course. How you go post something? You're going to write a post. Like I put up my bathsuit picture and you're going to write, let me read the post for you. Let me read it for you because I screenshot it. Because I want you to tell me how you go write your post and turn around like it at the same time. That means you don't have nothing to do. That simply means you ain't got nothing to do. I could never write a post under somebody's something make a comment on somebody's post and then like it at the same time. That means I'm fucking stupid. That means I'm stupid. That's how I look at it and don't have anything to do. What you mean you can't write your post and like it at the same time? What you mean? Me no call you under me something and you go come under there and make a comment. Okay. The Dell Computer Company. I have the post where I'm on top of the deck by Dr. Scave. Right? Going on showing my nice physique and my nice self, how me look good. Oh yes, I look very good, because if you can compare me to